Hello everyone, a warm welcome to you. I am Nidhi Padwal. I would like to share something with you. Other research by Ketkar. Ketkar made his other important research public from time to time. Some of his research papers include importance of the year 432. How should the Varshaman be calculated from Siddhanta? The time of creation of the text Taittiriya Brahman. The theory of precession of Earth's axis in 4600 BC. The times of Mahakavi Kalidas, Kannada words in Naneshwari. A few of his other important research papers were Bhagavad Gita, Kal Nirnay, Chronology of Aryans, Estimation of Shivaji Maharaj's birth date, Aryabhatta, and Kuttaka mathematics. After going through the string of research articles published by Ketkar, some of his scholar friends requested him to apply for the Springer Scholarship of the University of Mumbai. Only due to the insistence of his friends, Ketkar submitted the application for the scholarship to the University of Mumbai. After going through his application, Mr. Dastur, the registrar of Mumbai University, replied to him without giving any valid reason. I have the honor by direction of syndicate to inform you that your request cannot be granted. 2. Ketka's research papers were published in the Société Astronomique de France, in Paris, and he was congratulated for the University of Mumbai did not consider him worthy of the scholarship, nor did they appreciate his qualities. As many educational and research institutes in India, including University of Mumbai, were under the control of British government, many Indian scientists like Ketkar might have been neglected. Due to this reason, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, along with the like-minded people, founded Central Hindu College, Banaras Hindu University in 1916, inviting the researchers and educationists of nationalist ideology. In 1918, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya, Vice Chancellor of Banaras Hindu University, met Ketkar in the city of Pune. This was followed by the correspondence revealing Ketkar's intelligence and his work, which resulted in offering the letter of appointment as the professor of astronomy in Banaras Hindu University. But due to his mother's sad demise, Ketkar could not accept the post. Multi-talented Ketkar. Despite the neglect, Ketkar remained focused on his work. Ketkar had made his mark not only in astronomy and mathematics but also in many other fields. Very few people know that Venkatesh Ketkar was an ideal scholar and also a voracious reader. Ketkar's favorite English authors were Gibbon, Edmund Burke, Goldsmith, and Shakespeare. He used to spend time reading their literary works. He was fluent in Sanskrit and thus used to give discourses on the books written by Srimad Shankaracharya, Mahakavi Kalidas, and poet Jaydev. He loved literature. Greek and Roman history were on the tip of his tongue. Ketkar was fluent in Sanskrit, Marathi, Kannada, and English. He also had mastery over French language. Perhaps that is why he could send his own research papers to astronomers in France and also continued correspondence with them in French. Ketkar had great respect for Napoleon Bonaparte. He had not only read many English and French biographies of Napoleon, but knew them by heart. It is also mentioned in his biography that Ketkar had spent the 2 years 1926 and 1927 learning Bengali. He always wanted to learn new languages. Drawing maps and sketching were also his favorite hobbies. He had learned to repair watches. It is said that Ketkar taught the art of making clay idols of Ganesha to the sculptors of Bagalkot. He loved music. He would get absorbed in the devotional songs of Sant Tukaram, Sant Purandaras, and Sant Kabir. Thank you.